Welcome to Tammy's Tabata. This is the first of a few workouts that I will be uploading on YouTube to help you get fit and healthy in your home while this whole crisis is going on worldwide. But even after it's over, you can still use these videos. Today we're going to be doing a body weight workout designed for beginners. So this is beginners. This is all for beginners, okay? So if you're advanced or intermediate, you're gonna have to up your game on your own self, on your own time, on your own effort, because everything I do here today is gonna be solely for beginners. We're gonna use my timer, which is here 20-10, so it's 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Don't worry if you can't see it, I'm gonna let you know what's going on anyway. So we're gonna start with a warm up, and then we're going to do 2 main sets, and then we're gonna do a cool down. So that's what's gonna happen right now. Let's start with rolling our shoulders, just warming up from head to toe. Again, this is for beginners. Everything I do here today is for beginners. All body weight, full body workout. Take this 10 seconds rest and start your activity tracker. Okay, and go. This time, bring your arms up out to the side. Big deep breaths. Okay, and then just march it out. Okay, single kicks forward. You can move your arms if you like, but you don't have to worry about it. Just move the legs. Big deep breaths. Okay, and march it out. Next up, we're going to do some step and curl. Get ready, here we go. Don't worry about following my pace. We're not in a, dancey type fitness class. You don't have to worry about being exact on with me. You go at your own pace. Pull your arms back too to open up that chest. Okay, and just march it out, big deep breath. Okay, we're gonna tap to the side. Little squat in between. Warm up those lateral muscles. And march it out, big deep breath. High knees. So we're just bringing our knees up like this. If you want, you can bring your arm up higher or just bring it back down. Okay, and march it out. We're gonna do hip circles next. So hands on your hips, big circles. And then switch the other way. March it out again. Last one coming up is a body weight squat. And then our warm-up will be complete. Here we go, just little squats. Nothing big, but I'm hoping you're feeling warm now and like you want to get into it. You want to get into this workout. Okay, there we go. Now, your first 2 exercises, we are going to do a modified burpee. Yes, I said burpee, but it's a modified burpee, okay? So hands go up, down to the ground. You're gonna step it back, then you're gonna step it back in, and then we're gonna come back up. So there's no jumping and there's no push-up. We're gonna superset that burpee with modified curtsy lunges. So we're just doing a half range, and we're gonna bring our arms up like this. So we're going to go like that and like this, nice and easy. If you don't like that on your knees, you can always just step straight back like that, okay? So we're gonna pair those two exercises together. So we'll do a modified burpee, and then we will do a curtsy lunge. Get ready. Modified burpee first. Here we go. So hands up, down, step it back, step it in, and then hands up. Each time we go back down, let's switch which leg leads. Back up and down. So the left leg, oh, and rest. Okay, just march it out in between. Next up is that lunge. Curtsy lunge, here we go. So step and step. Remember, you can do reverse lunge if you don't like this. Step it back. The difference between curtsy lunge and reverse lunge is the reverse, it goes straight back. Okay, march it out. Modified burpee coming up. Get ready, here we go. So we reach down, step it back, in. Reach, down, step it back, in. Reach, down, step it back, in. Reach, down, step it back, and rest. Okay, just march it, nice and light. Curtsy lunges. Get ready, here we go. Doesn't matter which side you start or which leg, and remember, you don't have to keep up to my pace. Go at your own, and if you need a break, take it, okay? Be kind to yourself. You're just starting out. Okay, take a rest. Oh, my counter fell. Okay, burpee. Reach, down, out, and in. Reach, down, out, in. Reach, down, out, and in. Reach, down, out, and rest. Curtsy lunges. Get ready, here we go. Step and step. Step and step. Again, go at your own pace. March it out, rest. This is the last time for the burpee coming up right here. Here we go. Reach, down, out, in. Reach, down, out, in. Reach, down, out, in. Reach, down, out, in. Okay, and walk it out. And the last time for curtsy lunges. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm hoping that I showed you a way to do burpees that doesn't kill you. Doesn't feel like you're dying. So if you do the modified version, so you get fitter, and then you can start adding more intensity. Okay, so that's your first round of 2 exercises back to back. The next 2 exercises that you are going to do are kneeling planks with a shoulder tap, and then we're going to do donkey kicks. So you're on the floor. Right now you should be resting, by the way. You're on the floor, and basically what you're going to do is tap, 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 tap. So you're switching the pressure from each arm one at a time, like that. And so you're engaging your core while you're doing this. No flexing or bending in the spine, nice and stiff. And just tap and tap. And then we'll be supersetting that with donkey kicks. And we'll be lifting the leg and squeezing the butt like that. When you do this, no flexing the spine. So you're not going like this, okay? Not like this, and not trying to get that leg up there either. You want to keep your spine nice and stiff, no movement in the spine, and you want to concentrate on working the glutes. So you lift like this. See how my back doesn't move? So you want to keep that nice and stiff and just focus on your bum. Okay, get ready. On the floor, let's go. So the first is the tap. So tap, tap, tap. Yeah, plank taps. Just going from hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder, hand to hand, and you don't have to go at my speed. Excellent. Take a rest, and when you take a rest, get off your wrists. Just give them a little stretch, get back on. Now let's donkey kick left side only, okay? So remember, bring the leg up, but squeeze the glute. Do not flex or extend that back. Keep it nice and, keep your spine nice and stiff, your core nice and stiff. Stabilize the spine. While you do this, focus on the glutes. And rest. We're gonna go back to those plank taps. Get ready. Here we go. Tap, tap, tap. Focus. Stiff core. Okay, off the wrist. We're gonna do those donkey kicks again. Okay, this time it's this leg, the other leg. I hope you're tracking. Here we go. So up, down, up, down. That's it, just like that. Squeezing the bum. Keeping the core nice and stiff. Perfect. Off those wrists, we're gonna do the taps again. Here we go. Tap, tap, tap. Nice stiff core. You wanna really focus. Perfect. Off the wrist. Now we gotta go back to the other bum cheek. So this side for me. Here we go. You can bring that knee down, but you don't have to bring it underneath yet. It's not necessary. Just as long as you bring it down and then lift using your bum. Really squeeze the glutes. Okay, off the wrist. We have another plank tap. Get ready. Here we go. I hope you're enjoying this. Okay, another glute. This is the last one. Last time. One more donkey kick, I called it a glute. It's a donkey kick. Here we go. After this, we stretch. Almost there. Well done. That's awesome. Great. So that's it. That's all we have to do for work today. Now we're just going to stretch. We're going to stretch using the Tabata counter. Let's start with our shoulder. When you are just starting out with fitness, it's very, very, very important to be kind to your body. Doing too much too soon, it stresses your body. You have this thing called structural tolerance, and just relax around the... So structural tolerance exists in all the fibers, all the ligaments, tendons, joints, bones, everything. And if you stress that too much and you go over the current tolerance, so when you're not fit, the tolerance is low. So if you do a workout that stresses it too much, you can end up getting injured. So you have to take a gentle approach. Okay. All right, around those shoulders again. Big deep breath in. Let's bring the hands behind, lace our fingers, press down to the ground, stretching the chest. It's not wimpy to take it easy. It's smart to ease into it. Awesome. Okay, let's give those triceps some love. So bring the hands up and just reach down your back. You can stay still or rock back and forth. Do this video a couple times until you feel like you're getting stronger, and then you can move on to something more challenging. Just little increments. Okay, release. The principle's called progressive overload. So that's what you want to practice. And that means a little bit of intensity, a little bit at a time when your body's ready. So yes, we want to build intensity, but we want to do it in a smart way. Okay, relax. Let's put one leg out. So we'll stretch the hamstrings. Okay, and reach down. You can grab the inside, the outside, whatever feels comfortable. This will also get your low back, your quadratus laborium, QL. Breathing. Let's switch to the other side. Tuck that leg in, reach down. Nice big deep breaths. Let's stretch the quads now. So we'll reach, grab our ankle, pull our foot towards our bum, squeeze your glutes and your belly to protect that low back. Big deep breath in. Tight. It's one of the areas I'm tight. Usually most people are tight in hamstrings. I'm tight in the quads. Okay, release. Let's switch to the other side. Grab the foot, pull towards your bum. Big deep breath. Squeeze the bum and your belly so you can protect that low back while you're doing this stretch. Big deep breath. All right, and release. Okay, so big deep breath, one more. That's it. That's it for today. So there you go. You can repeat this workout a couple more times, and then, like I said, once you start to feel stronger, then you can start to use some of my more advanced videos that have higher intensities, but just increments. Remember, progressive overload is important. I hope you enjoyed that today. Make sure you leave your comments in the comments section below. Like my video, share it, subscribe, all that awesome stuff. And don't forget to check out my website, gofitlife.ca, because I am going to be uploading a Tammy Lee Tabata series on there, and you can subscribe to that. All right, that's it for now. Bye.